Congratulations on your purchase of a RYSE SmartShade. Let's walk through getting your device installed. The tools you will need are the SmartShade, the power adapter or the battery pack, the mounting bracket, screws, an optional drill, a screwdriver, and a pen or pencil. Before installing the SmartShade, make sure there are no objects attached to your beaded chain that may jam the device. Anything attached to your chain that is larger than the chain may damage or prevent full operation of your SmartShade. This can include ball stoppers, oversized bead connectors, and cord tensioners. Ball stoppers are used to limit how open or closed your shades can get. Simply remove the ball stopper with force. Oversized bead connectors must be replaced by our provided bead connectors. Snap the connector off at both ends using force, pliers, or a flathead screwdriver. Then, connect your chain's ends back together using the RYSE provided bead connector. Cord tensioners are used to give your window shade a clean look and to prevent the loop from hanging loose. Unscrew your cord tensioner from the wall using a screwdriver, then remove your chain from the cord tensioner by using force, pliers, or a screwdriver. Hold the loop of the chain against the wall and mark slightly below the loop with a pencil. Position the top of the bracket against the mark you made on the wall and check to make sure it's level. Depending on the type of material your wall is, you may need to pre-drill holes or place anchors into the wall. If your wall is plaster or drywall, mark the screw holes with the pencil and pre-drill the holes. Make sure the mounting bracket is facing up. Using the provided screws, attach the bracket to the wall. Double check that the bracket is securely attached and level, and make adjustments if necessary. Take the SmartShade's back cover off by squeezing the sides. Push down on the guide rail and wrap the beaded chain around the sprocket wheel. Push the guide rail back up, replace the back cover. Slide your SmartShade into the bracket until you hear 2 soft clicks, and the beaded chain is taut like a guitar string. Plug the power adapter or battery pack into the SmartShade. You're now ready to add this SmartShade to the RYSE app. For more help, visit us online at www.helloryse.com.